Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says let y equals y of x be the solution of the differential equation. So we have this differential equation. So let's observe this differential equation first and let's write down this thing into comfortable zone. So what I feel is like we are not comfortable with cosec. We are comfortable with sine and cos. So can we convert this into sine? So we will be writing 1 by sine square x. This is dy. This is dx. This is dx. So can I divide both sides by dx? So we will have dy by dx plus 2 is equal to 1 plus y cos 2x upon sine square x. Correct? Now look at this. Let's try to simplify this differential equation. So I feel that we should go with like first filter, that is variable separable method. Now can you segregate x and y? Can you write down all x together and all y together? No, you cannot. Now do you think you have dy by dx equals to linear function? No. Do you think you have dy by dx equals to linear by linear, where from the numerator the coefficient of x and from the denominator coefficient of y and from denominator coefficient of x sum up to 0? No, it is not linear by linear. Do you think you have x dx, y dy together? No. So we cannot apply the first filter. So what we will do, we will upgrade to linear differential equation that we have studied. So how does that linear differential equation look like? So it will look like dy by dx plus, here we want y and then denominator is x. So we want p of x and q of x. So we will try to convert this question into that form. So let's multiply everything with sine square x. So we have dy by dx plus 2 sine square x is equal to 1 plus y cos 2x. Now look at this. You want y thing. So y we have here. So can I take this thing this side? So dy by dx plus cos 2x and then y, and then we have 1 minus sine square x, 2 times sine square x, and you know that 1 minus 2 sine square x is what? Cos 2x. है ना? Now look at this. You have converted your question into required form. Correct? So look at this. Now can I write? Look at this. So clearly you can visualize that, sir, we have successfully converted our question into linear differential equation. So now we have to integrate. Now look at this. First we will write down this thing in required form. So we want e power integration px dx both side. E power integration px dx. Here we want y, here we want qx with whole integration. So let's write everything. So we have y times e power integration cos 2x dx is equal to integration cos 2x e power integration cos 2x dx. Now let's do the integration. You know that you have to apply substitution, so you will take z as 2x, but if you will integrate now, you will have sine 2x by 2. You know that your question is in C, so you will have minus. So this will become minus, है ना? and then we have integration cos 2x e to the power minus sine 2x by 2 dx. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable, है ना? So look at this, how we will manage this situation. So what I will do, like we have to integrate the second component. Now what I will do, I will take z, something as z, and I will take whole power as z. So we have minus sine 2x by 2 as z. So we will write dz by dx is equal to minus cos 2x, है ना? That 2x differentiation will become 2 and 2 will get neutralized, and you have cos 2x dx. Cos 2x dx will become minus of dz. So its integration will become, I'll be writing the final result, y times e power minus sine 2x by 2 is equal to minus times e power minus sine 2x by 2 plus integration constant c. I hope till this part you guys are super comfortable. Okay? Now the idea is they have given you this situation. So we have to replace x with pi by 4, y with 0. Pi by 4, comma 0. So your curve is satisfying this situation. So if y is 0, this component will become 0. Sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is what? This thing will become 0, and then it will become pi by 2. Sin pi by sin 90 is what? 1. So it is minus of e power minus 1 by 2, है ना, plus c. So can I say that the value of c is e power minus 1 by 2? So we got our c. Now, so let's write down the function again one more time. So we have y times e power minus sine 2x by 2 is equal to minus e power minus sine 2x by 2 plus integration constant c, and the value of c is what? E power minus 1 by 2, that you have already calculated, correct? So this is our final function. Now what is the required thing? Required thing is y of 1, y of 0 plus 1 whole square. So y of 0, so we will replace x with 0. So I am trying to find, wait, y of 0, okay, we will replace x with 0. So look at this, what will happen. So if you will replace x with 0, so sine 0 is 0, so e power 0 is 1, so on the LHS you will be having y is equal to minus e to the power 0, so it is minus 1 plus e power minus 1 by 2. So we got y of 0 as this, okay, y of 0 is this. Now what we have to do, we have to find y of 0 plus 1 ka whole square. So don't you think this one and this minus 1 will get neutralized, plus e power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 whole square. So this thing gone. Now power to the power is what? Multiplication. So e power minus 1 by 2 into 2 will become what? E power minus 1. Therefore the required value of the given question is e power minus 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay, so see you guys in next session of MathFlix.